Hispanic entrepreneurs are turning immigration uncertainty into business plans. We'll have the details coming up.
We are local. Las Vegas. Fox 5 News starts now.
Amid fears in immigrant neighborhoods and recent business closures, dozens of Latino entrepreneurs came together in East Las Vegas in hopes of making their dreams of owning a small business come true.
And Fox 5's Carla Salinas has the details.
These entrepreneurs say that they are not letting fear get in the way of their American dream. At the East Las Vegas Library, dozens packed the room for a free bilingual workshop on how to get a business license in Clark County, Las Vegas, or North Las Vegas. County leaders say that the goal is to replace uncertainty with clear steps so no one has to choose between operating in the shadows or shutting down.
There's a lot of fear going around because of President Trump's immigration issues, and so we're trying to, as the county in North Las Vegas and Las Vegas, trying to reach out and say, look, we love you, we want to help you. If there's issues with your business license, this is here to.
And while attendees say that the challenges aren't going away soon, many said that they're feeling empowered and better equipped to take the next step to reach their goal of owning a business.
And county officials say more workshops like these are planned, part of an effort to make sure immigrant entrepreneurs have